Today's date is September 30th, 2024, and I'm bringing all of these projects to completion. I've got the maxi mat completed. We got the foundation on. You got the vices and everything underneath there. Got the carts all cleaned up pretty much. I just got through making a dust cover for when I'm working on the pulse detonation engine. And so the shop is all clean. I've got the solar collector up and running. I was just checking the voltage on it, and it's a 12.9. It'll go down to about 12.5, so it's in pretty good shape. Today's date is October 3rd, 2024, and these are my latest acquisitions. Greg gave these to me, or anyway, we're going to settle up, but this is going to be our grinder. I'm going to take these wheels off, have to get a dressing stone and that kind of stuff. So these have been sitting out for a long time, so what I'm going to try and do is see if I can get these up and running on 3-phase. Then I can mount the belt sander and the disc sander for the maxi mat will be adjacent to it, and then we'll use our disc grinder over here. So I'm just kind of getting things cleaned up, finishing up. When we're all done, we're going to have all blue carts and things like that. But generally, the only thing that doesn't have wheels is the lathe and the mill down there. So that way we can arrange as we get different tasks to do. We have different carts, and that allows us to work on these other projects. Now this is all part of my second prototype, detonation engine prototype. So this is going to be 60 inches, I think, is how long I'm going to have the propagation tube to go into the input of the pump. So anyway, that's an update, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm back. Got the as you can see, one of the reasons why we have everything on wheels, there's no dust collecting. We've got the floor all clean. I mop it once in a while. That's what that is over here in the corner. And we've got a handle on all the dust. It had like 30 years of dust in here. So so this is another bell right here that Peter's working on. And it's awesome to have this closing over here doing these big jobs like this. So I'm going to be doing some porting on this. This is a titanium here. So I gotta get the right tools and everything. I gotta put some slots in there. I'm gonna see how this will work as a pulse jet type of a thing. So, and then I've got the table all covered. Because they're polishing that, there was so much dust and everything, I went ahead, instead of getting a single drop cloth, I got 2 separate ones. So when its use as a cover is done with, and you can just unscrew these. You know, they're 1/4-20 screws with the big fender washers, and I'm using bungee cords to suck it up, as you can see under here. So that's going to keep my project separate from the machine shop, because this is our prototyping table, and these items here are going out. I can't show you that, we got the gate closed right now, but when I get these out of here, we're going to I'm trying to get a hold of some metal forming equipment. it would be nice to get a shear, but I'm going to see if I can get a brake and a roller for forming parts, and then from there we'll see how it evolves. So this is where we're at on October 3rd, 2024.